Part of the social development sector for almost 3 decades now, I have been hearing, seeing, and admiring the work Rotarians are doing for the humanity all over the world. Many of my friends are Rotarians and they have been suggesting me to be part of the Rotary global community. I have been thinking of doing so, but some of the reasons it was kept on postponing. In November 2014, a group of Rotarians has visited Rajasthan and they have visited my charity Bal Sansar Sanstha in Ajmer also. The team comprising Surender, Nalin, Lynn, Janice, Jack and Veronique were the inspiration for me to be part of this group, and they admired the work which we are doing and they invited me back to the US and see the work Rotarians are doing. In July 2015, I happened to be there in USA and attended several club meetings in which these members are part of. In one of the meetings, Nick Gioni has opened the doors and suggested a way by which I can be part of the Rotary. He suggested me to join E-Club of Houston so that I am not restricted to one particular geography, and wherever my work takes me, I can attend any of the Rotary meetings in whichever part of the globe. So I joined, and thus I am here and I am part of Rotary now. I am deeply inspired with the spirits of Rotarians to help the global community, impact the lives of marginalized, poor and needy people in whichever manner it can be done. This is a forum which provides me an opportunity to contribute towards my society and make this a better place to live in.